I'm saying I share on Smart Ghana update so we news update. NDC for be HSA. Ebeyanka Yura John Dramani Mahama enka ne Ghana man panyini enka wonsi for so mbe say victory no be omo dia 2024 dia omo emfa nipa foforo emfa ne mbra na jese ntimi mboa na victory ni emeye omo dia na no akire no the same person as akasa no watch say time NDC for ekọ court no mo che say abato no ewiemu bi aba nti ebeyanka court mo a omo enjima wo mo no court bo mo say mo de maso ba be down court ya ase mo si wiemu bi aba nti no mo figures ene mo pink sheet ni ade edi adanse trodo sampa electoral commission awiem e de ma na dan kwagufu ado no mo famra eno so mo ntimi am provide am farma eno nti nipa ne che say ye nim biasesem e de ma NDC party no eno nti omo ma NDC party na wotwemienu no so omo ama abonten amfa figures na ama abonten adekodi anu mu gina so say electoral commission awia banimu a ombeto mhogu monten so aye wo ye kire a enye wo ye kire keto akra na sa asemu e na owura Anthony Kwenu a wono e na ye Greater Accra regional organizer akasa ho no de na no ato no kire say omo pe figures a electoral commission eguna yi na kache unya ball electoral commission figures of 2020 presidential results a eguanom omo nko no mu nko hwebi na say ye change presidential one when yakofa new person de na bade eno de enya ade a wo mo ebeye yenko ne nko ti owura Anthony Kwenu ene asem ni mu nchiremu nyina ye ba ene na eje ebeto aso
pink sheet ne mbre ana collate figures na yekoto aba last year na omo famra eno na yehwe omo famma e kire se omo tia party emraso party constitution or your transparency, accountability, probity and social justice as ideals. So want me fund san your man it means that omatia your NDC constitution aso pocho wanka call you know one asema judges ne kai judges ne say witness na mode by omo fanciful witnesses. That's a very harsh word to use on them. The only thing they are telling you is say mo back court no mo figures why judges are be some sa want me fa figures na ma enya adea say ye mbe bo mo kokoso mo fa man yansa na mo de ba mai anka party leadership na dada anka mo frey NDC full soldiers mo ka minchire asas na hwe amfa amma nti se see no ye see ye bo mo kokko omo ye mpinifo no omo sorry boka omo mayen chichire mo say na 2020 campaign ko especially with the pink sheets and accumulated figures anka se job bi me say EIU reports na by and saying omo predict say NDC be win 2024 election and I say ye nim that with a good leadership, new leadership, fresh people, we can win this election hands down and govern this country once again. Ghanaians need the NDC. Last election I but we were not able to be smart and vigilant at the police stations. Ana pink sheets na ma ana collate figures na ma sisi ana yeba catch your microphone na so omo to abonten the whole Ghana yebe or ye chireke pa in the branch offices, constituency offices and a regional office of the NDC party ye na still sanchechrim. I'm talking of pink sheets no ama and the yeba be campaign akasa ye party mpenifo no free party headquarters whether who cook no ana ye.
But my concern is the party should publish their collated results, at least to party members. They need to know to help in more reorganization. No?
Obi, good afternoon in the first place, your cherished listeners. And the young men who think they have arrived, we welcome them very soon. But how that so-called result now demand, how will it affect the economic livelihood of Ghana? And I know Edinson so whatever person demanding. The results on person say it's on the website of the Electoral Commission. The Electoral Commission are publishing results. NDC, MPP, and all other 10 political parties rejected. And our money total figure percentage until the end of February.
I said those were results you did not accept, and that's the reason why, based on the announcement, EC chairperson here, they call Supreme Court. What they want.
Supreme Court has ruled that is the true and accurate account of the Electoral Commission on the basis of the post conducted on the 7th of December 2020. we have accepted it. We have moved on. So if they want results, it is there. They should go and take it and work with it.
No, as a party, some coalition center, Anna.
The further our coalition center, no, our results, whether it differs from what the Electoral Commission collates, cannot have any influence on the election.
Asempa FM.
By a reorganization, that's what they claim.
As far as I know, as a regional organizer in the Greater Accra region, we got some 1.3 plus million votes. Who calculate all other regions now? Me, I am highly say we came down from 4.7 million to 6 point something million plus. That is a good time to reorganize into 2024. In Kofoa, Sebi, NDC ba power winning PBA now Mema Ukruma. And pushing young men, and they are using your face to be racks. I will advise them. The NDC, sacrifices are here. We have not been given even board members before, but we still love and protect the NDC because that is the organization we have subscribed to. I will not be a tool in the hands of a selfish, greedy, parochial, interested person. They are young. I saw in the screen.
They make the point said they are cadres, and you know what cadres mean to the NDC.
The cadre corps is not formed by you calling yourself. Cadre corps, no. The last cadre corps was called in the 80s. From there have not been any formation of the cadres of the NDC. Every young man calling himself a cadre is just attributing to himself an acclaimed status that he has not attained. When were they trained? Who is their trainer? Who is their leader? So I beg them, they should stop calling themselves names that they don't even have any idea about.
Nupeno, they make the point, say, Omama Party, 14 days to release the collated result, or else there would be series of demonstrations across the country. They would picket in the houses and offices of NDC leading members, I suppose including you. Don't you think you have to grant them a more request and move on?
NDC party any Atabanyo. Our roots are well grounded. We are well rooted. We are like a mahogany tree.
Asempa FM.
And a baobab tree. Storm. And yes, storm keep trying to be to me real now.
Say on
10, 20, 50 person we welcome them. What I think what they need is education. You see, so most of them I saw, I don't even know them personally. But 1 hour lecture, they will all have something to take home. At least, so some persons will try to use them, brainwash them. But I think
are these young men said they are asking for too much? And it seems that one request it keeps coming back from 2016. That allegation about collated results were in. It has repeated in 2020, and still party members are asking say collated result. Is it the case? More independent collation
Obi, sometimes what they actually be so I have the answer about. NDC collated result.
Asempa FM.
I don't think, as I sit here as NDC, regional organizer, I don't think it's far from whatever the Electoral Commission might have put out. Our disagreement was some discrepancies we saw in somewhere in the Ashanti region, where you see the disparity between a parliamentary candidate's result and the presidential candidate's result. That is where we first say there is something that happened that shouldn't have happened. Secondly, I have taken the pain to go through many of the polling station pinch. Whatever might have happened that caused our defeat, I, Anthony, I will say it here and I will say it everywhere. I will not fault the EC. I will fault our own internal mechanisms. When you give improper training to people to go and monitor results for you, you sometimes have the kind of results you have. Because me share shit ni bia me bisa me say one of the police agents no it is even the mom one mom time no what do they understand about election before they sign onto a sheet that sometimes the results that they sign to you can't even see the result. The accounting of ballot is critical in election.
On Asempa
but
FM.
these are things I would not like to come on air to say.
Asempa
But
FM.
sometimes some of these issues will trigger you to come and say some of these things. But then, it heals all of us to go and do the proper thing. They shouldn't think that there is any collateral result hidden somewhere that will be shown to them. The collateral result that they want is on the website of the Electoral Commission.
Seven ni go on my work see the abano. We did ya joa a champ for my coming in edge when and so commono yefa somo. And edge. NDC for now must say here. Anyway, you share the book massy, 9 year. That day, yes, say. You're better than a cook the same day now, better cook.
I tell you, I'm saying maybe a brand TV Kunya Baba Fro. Okay. Na Baba no be an origin which you pass on the baby be any assassin between Yamana Kai Wish. And Sani Manamano Auntie. Say, a dream there was I will can't see in Baswan. Bright Bianu Yamane, the Nana Tosmi and Sano. Said he see where I boom Kunua. Hana Baba and Tion. Na branch. That is it. We a guy, and we a guy you. Now, and this for some more can I think say, I'm a party did the National Democratic Congress. That is say, a manual kuete kabmemen kabi ase. I think everybody is entitled for his or her opinions as long as democracy is concerned. And the omo kano baby kamimi hun sanka is uncalled for in the sense that you say ofiechi niamofono yakọ court na wie yakọ wie akwakosi se sisia no yadi ntwo yem pushing to yachi ne yenko yanim sanse de wonim de wo yanim ene doso de wo yachi de atwam so ati ase ntinanka minyayanka kama mama ko raise sa issue rather than mbacha no ma ho den de akofa ho de kamo de ho den no start a campaign towards 2024. Though say it's too early days for campaign there, but the social share brosu ntemwa and until zanka ebikwanya gidigidi campaign, but underground checks what made us lose 2020 elections, no, and so some consultations can be made. Sebayan kamuhu pumasibre nanka 2024 things might be easier for you rather than somebody start accusing people of their inability to win the case for you. However, once assembly member Trahaka say union mandis for court no me penye lawyer ba pelero knowledge nyankopon dia maye no ema amrebia obi kasema pae kakra ne so de akasa so what I say ebi ni say mo kase abano a obi enwin no what evidences were you backing your claims with? There was nothing like that. Inti nanka inyayanka brekra ye declare abanwie ye no. Even though say na mo somonte ase say dieben and nina no. At least some sort of evidence that you had, if indeed you had some. I was like ba mo party fit force and I'm on the party website. Okay. And in some form be a manko for who say indeed you had this or the say evidence no by court na ama okwama will improve at court na nke bia no so akoye another discussion. Okay. But we know ye hun bibisa nti omo so asem na omo kan I think some more point because say ya hwene and correcting wrongs and ya tutonema writer. It could be said 2024 because we live in a society of uncertainty. Bibia betumi asi. Ti ekobase 2024 so no se bia BBC ekusi. Na muntumi nka bi mayen na yentumi nya rehemu wo mumu se BBC sa akosi bi mu a how sure are we se mbotumi a department ma partner nya nkunimdie ti somehow so no me no ya adwene ba bi kakra
na we ya simo se nkom de babo nti onya sure se nke wo se ye party no enter masem na so de be babo nti ya na ko se ugu party ni mu asese ese case no de call court no sebi na ensure na se na yibia hyeda nyede enimu no e wo se nka abonte na wo de ba ebeka enye party mu kokko asem
well before say baby a teacher aboa no e ho ani gyan no I'm sure so say party bia no hierarchy ebi wo fom ni bi wo soro se nyame a wadom na bia wo fom a onsem kan akura no ebia how to wasam kra bedru esoro ho no
nice wabre nice one no like okasa obinte
okay ne ba one thing there somebody will come and react let's so wasam na wokan no muayaba
okay
and sometimes kanye nsem nyina na yese afisam nya ntomago ne yese hata bonten na so to obi susu a usuro pindu so a okrata enu abem and me feel say even though say and can some the bonten these are sensitive issue but me there no some starting kaminya kra and the subject shouldn't be this it should be towards 2024 election
okay you know towards 2024 there say no was say chire BBC be yanka papa John Dramani Mahama ko mo sesa no no mpeni pa foforo emfa ne mra no owura no ko no so chire say de abrante ne kan de enye no na wo muti
well we say me na bredia no ya me try some yes kan ifa no ahakra na hakra obi biara yes some winning team bia yes some winning team nti obi ni hodmo a coach bi ni ho a obobo anani team bobo la obema ni winning team no obesesa winning team no however obi ka say okay dey na chese current NDC party no a winning team I mean leadership no a winning team because you lose 2016 miserably sana kofobi term no 2020 so mo lose controversially what you say until then chese a winning team
okay
and say be calling for the head say on resign and as one step aside na fresh ideas mra if he say somehow ne kwanso anesa esan say medical can have bebrebe say nyansa eni ba ko futrim yes Omampenda Mahama has thrown a lot of experiences about political and presidential flag bearership na wa thrown so much experience and Jacobeka said the experience kasa dia any ankonda was say because the onimu to no ni dinja hwere no ano Jacobeka say yamane nko na nko onsa nko pretumi no fama party no but obi su beka say wakompre no ni nyina wakotete abo ebi su na somebody within the party so can bring something on board because normally fresh people fresh new person fresh ideas and us betumi awo nti why don't we give another person a chance to also exhibit what he or she can also bring on board what that can win power for us and don't forget say na nu ya krana opinion polls bi by analysis bi by say this 4% omuni 2024 election na they should forgo of the former president nti gathering all this no ebi omonso ewo tinti amahwe within the kokoamu nti amamo de kasa
Musuma ka se me mese bi se bi ade nti no mo ntwe na nka papa yi nko ne 24 years ni wie no nkwaje na home asomdwe kwa so
ana medical chair say ewias no obi epetumi oze tumi ya de ehia ti na no kra de na no obi amihia so ye pretumi na so ma me wo hapa ton ma me fa no kwaje tumi no obi tumi ya besa do tumi na sa kwaje o ma me eti no sa
no owu
so owu anu owu so nyon nkwan first person obewu nti owu de kan ho nti okono owu anu na yi peche na se bibi atumi ya kama shewra de anyonyam anka kosipra kan so and so forth so at say enti no I think some also I share their pain because wako 2016 we lose 2020 we lose enti de be arehemu na omubesenya say yesad no kwa onsan luzi
omare shemu a omowo abia yini say say papa John Dramani Mahama ne ho age fiefiem Ghana de ubo Mahama
the nation builder Mahama oba beye Mahama okada Mahama animu ade
Mahani ene sane man ti wa wutie yes wa wutie anum ya ye twa agua
titi dia kwa so ye me de pa Mahama
Onapo
ai Onapo
Mama
na wonum dia in fact edit nim dia me no kure ya na de pa
anum dia ni wo mom composing ni mom dia they are very good yeah eti sa wutie papa anum ya gbogbo so ya wonya bo ni dipo bi ani mu no so atiase eti sa wo se kwa gofo bi foforo de na ba no afi na beton do papa isu ya ton na wie no ye ba akọ yanko ya adma 2024 na na da kwagufo ado Ghana president a wono so ni dia agi fiefie mu no wono wo si fom o kwa akogina home eti ko no di si fom na nke foforo ba na papa Mahama ho de na so what mu se ni ma betimi
yes they all can so kanye bad but then some na don of akufo ado ikwe no say the ina babe
break date
because I don't want to talk about it but adna babe either new person
and new person
yes new I am in Kano entirely new because Baumia has been in the system ti ono so ni din wo hodada though say he wasn't the flag bearer but then ni din wo system I say friend Mr. Digitization is an ni din wo so but say ankoye on say koyi nipa foforo bia say bia ala no say hwan na so ba na say this phone so de nipa foforo na so ba akoye new nipa miem te hono na party works ebede party no nyuma ho ne bra wa gba ato ho no ebe ya adwuma se de obi tumi bo bra na ne sika gu bank na ne owukura na ne medi sika na sa ko se omo so be wuo no sa na ne ye ba behwe ba ko ba se experience nko ya ko check nso a experience no na kwa na samfa uru afisi ye to aba ewo parliament no speaker of parliamentship no ye no na nka experience dia anka beka se ye papa makakue nanka enko esan so na watena so ani ne ntwea so ne nchepe so ne saa ne maniama ba mu say no we need somebody fresh no so the fresh idea though say papa babenye fresh as in fresh sir he has been at the parliament house for since 92 until God knows how long he has been there until ba enyamankitigitibia I think say no onim kura ansa na obeye speaker of parliament ntino kakwaye nipa mienu so omo nyina so yenya hu obi anso strength anka be better na afi na yebehu se senior we na ke bi share chale de omo nyina ye ka no I think so more point but sisi anso no zo mampenda da Mahama no so e control some majority influence in the party so at as enti o ye executive member now na koye ho se na de omo kam no mo ya dun no mo ya dun so wan hwe na se ade no kodane a wan hwe oso achi be ye she
yes ade be china also was suspension letter said
so what you say
papa Samuel atubiga
ade ahwe am no sa
wagene
na knockout kama because say bia wo koyi na wo aka no woni mom sutim adwene mu nyina akosori tia wo a e ba sa waso be ye she
Samatubiga be kan say ye be yanka yensi papa John Dramani phone
ana me ken say any man lete ndiama lete majority always carries the vote they say ebia ono so memti omo ye omo ebia sabe e court da chia bobo omo no nhede no go bia sa enti I think say sane manem nya to be taken into consideration there
this yamaye no
and ni na say me hunu say sisi ba bia du and this part me I always pray say we need to have a strong political oppositions and opposition parties in the country so that abina or tia kunwa so no or chia so what I say people know power and this now say strong
okay
say this no power say people strong say be ya ni trimunya ne dana onye sebe niam bia ope because you say I part na mo da ya o 19 it be there going forward me hu say this no amon trance na amon sort bibia o so sort no man penda da Mahama na nkasa so no ono afi say he loved the party and the majority of party faithfuls in fi say ojina nchen na dia subie beba onyina nchen because me maka say bibia e wo amanyo so bia papa na nya bi tinya afi na obepre bibia biem 4 years na o ka no eno nya no na be ma o CV so ayefe so what I say already received more further from assemblyman to former president there what for to kruni na bi mapie ya enya better the American so say omutumi ehwe na omo settle bibia amicably yeah
Yatina Jabusia for Efamunsia, Ebesan Mashia, news updates, and you did your champ for my account.